Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. Now let me ask you something. What if I told you that you could literally sit at home, do simple writing work, and turn that into a consistent monthly income? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's very real, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. If you're a student trying to manage tuition fees, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the family income, or just looking for a flexible side hustle to make extra cash, this video is for you. We're going to explore how you can turn your writing skills into a reliable source of income right from the comfort of your home. And here's the exciting part. I'm not just going to list websites and wish you luck. I'm going to be your guide, walking you step by step through the entire process, how to apply, how to create a standout registration, and the strategies you need to start earning from day one. So stick with me till the very end. By the time we're done, you'll have the confidence and a clear, actionable plan to start making real money just by writing. No more guesswork, just a clear path forward. All right, let's jump right in. First, open up Google and search for WritersLabs.com. This is a trusted platform that's been around for years, so it's very reliable. Thousands of people are making a steady income every month just by doing simple writing work. It's a fantastic starting point for beginners because of the constant flow of available jobs. Once you open the site, you'll see something like "Start your freelance writing career today," "Fill out your CV," "Pass a test," and "Earn." Now, before you panic about the test, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how simple it is and give you the tips you need to pass it easily on your first try. You don't need a fancy English degree for this, just a good grasp of the language. But first, let's check out their pricing structure, so you know how much you can actually make. If you're writing in a second language, the rates go like this. High school level, $7 per page, 24-hour deadline. College, $9. University, $10. Masters, $13. PhD, $15. But here's the hack. If you choose native language writing like English, the rates go way higher. High school, $12 per page. College, $15. University, $16. Masters, $22. PhD, $26. So obviously, I recommend you go for native language writing because you'll earn a lot more. Alright, let's get you started. First, head to the WritersLabs homepage and click on the Register Now button. Here you'll fill out a straightforward form with your basic details like name, email, and phone number. You'll also answer a few quick questions about your writing background and areas of expertise. This helps us match you with the right projects later on. Don't overthink this part. Just be honest and straightforward. Authenticity is key to finding the best fit. Once that's done, you'll upload a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, and your highest degree certificate. This is a standard step to verify your identity and credentials. And don't worry, your data is completely safe. We use secure protocols, and these documents are used strictly for verification purposes. After submitting your documents, it's time to showcase your skills. Let me break down the tests. First, the English language test. 15 questions in 15 minutes. Next, a short essay, 120 words in 10 minutes. The citation style test has 18 questions with a 7-day deadline. Finally, a 500-word professional essay, also with a 7-day deadline to demonstrate your research and writing skills. Now, let's talk strategy. And here's the good news. These tests are actually really simple. They're not designed to trick you, but to confirm you have the fundamental skills needed, like following instructions and demonstrating your writing proficiency. And here's a pro tip. You can absolutely use AI tools like ChatGPT. Think of them as your personal assistant to help polish your grammar, structure your essays, or nail the formatting. It's all about working smarter. The key is to be smart about it. Don't just copy and paste. Use these tools to learn and improve your own abilities, because this commitment to growth is what will truly help you succeed long-term. Once you're verified and your tests are approved, you're ready to take on orders. And the best part, you can work from home, choose your own hours, and build a steady monthly income doing what you love, writing. Imagine this. You're sitting comfortably at home, typing out simple assignments or essays, and getting paid a solid $15.20 per page. Do just a few pages a day, and you're looking at hundreds or even thousands of dollars flowing in every month. That's incredible income for just writing, right? So there you have it. That's exactly how you can start earning money online through writing with WritersLabs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's looking for a side hustle. And let me know in the comments, what country are you watching from? I'd love to know where my audience is tuning in from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.